Welcome back to our fitness channel. Today, we have an exciting workout video that's perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of Pilates. In this 15-minute session, we'll guide you through a beginner-friendly Pilates routine that targets your core muscles and helps sculpt your body. So grab your mat and let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a comfortable mat and enough space to move around freely. Remember to listen to your body and modify any exercises if needed. Let's start with a brief warm-up to get our bodies ready for the workout ahead. Begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a deep breath in and exhale, allowing your body to relax. Now, let's gently roll our shoulders back, opening up our chest. This helps us find proper alignment, which is crucial in Pilates. Great job! Now that we're warmed up, it's time to move on to the core sculpting Pilates exercises. We'll be targeting different areas of the core to strengthen and tone those muscles. Our first exercise is called the 100. Lie down on your mat, bend your knees, and bring them up to a tabletop position. Extend your arms by your sides, palms facing down. Now, lift your head and shoulders off the mat, engaging your core. Remember to breathe deeply throughout this exercise, inhaling for 5 counts and exhaling for 5 counts. This helps engage your deep core muscles and promotes relaxation. Let's move on to the next exercise. For our second exercise, we have rolling like a ball. Sit on your mat, bring your knees into your chest, and hold onto your shins. Round your spine and balance on your sit bones. This exercise not only strengthens your core but also massages your spine, promoting flexibility and improving posture. Let's proceed to the next exercise. Now, we'll target our lower abs with a single leg stretch. Lie down on your back, lift your head and shoulders off the mat, and bring your knees into a tabletop position. Remember to keep your core engaged and breathe deeply as you alternate extending one leg at a time. This exercise helps develop stability in your core and improves coordination. Our final exercise is called the swan. Lie down on your mat with your palms facing down, elbows bent by your sides, and legs extended. Press your hands into the mat, lift your upper body, and arch your back, focusing on your lower back muscles. The swan is a fantastic exercise to strengthen your back muscles, improve posture, and increase spinal mobility. Great work! Now that we've completed our core sculpting Pilates routine, it's essential to cool down and stretch our muscles. Let's take a few minutes to do some gentle stretches and allow our bodies to relax and recover. Fantastic job, everyone! I hope you enjoyed this 15-minute beginner Pilates workout. Remember to practice regularly to see progress and make modifications as needed to suit your fitness level. Pilates is a fantastic way to build a strong core, increase flexibility, and enhance overall body strength. Thank you all for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fitness content. And as always, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. Until next time, keep moving and stay healthy.